everyone. Glad to announce that we have Rob here. He's the winner of the Barber Exam Kit giveaway. We're about to show him everything that he won. Before we do, I wanted to introduce you to Rob. People can find you on Instagram at
NorCal Rob the Barber.
Rob the Barber. And wanted to ask you, like, what got you into barbering? Like, what was the driving force behind it?
So I'm coming up on the end of my firefighting career. I retire in a couple of years, and I've been looking for a job kind of to fill that time. I've looked at tons of different opportunities, and barbering really seemed to be kind of the one that spoke to me the most. It's a little bit like the firehouse, kind of camaraderie of everything. I have great memories of barbers when I was a kid, going there with my dad. So it's something I'm really excited about, looking forward to it, and trying out something new.
All right. And so what does this kit mean to you?
It's something to start to really see the right things that I'm going to need for the test, and it takes a lot of kind of pressure off a little bit to know that I have the right stuff and everything's going to be in the right place and labeled correctly and everything. And it's just another exciting part of the journey.
That's awesome. Well, I'm super happy to give this
Thank
to
you again.
Like I said, some of you guys know that my barber actually gave me a kit to get started along with my brother to help me pass the state board exam. So without further ado, let's show Rob what he got.
Absolutely.
So Rob, this is all for you. So we have everything from every section of the barber exam that you're going to be taking. We have the hair color retouch section. It has all your brush and your applicators. We have everything from your chemical weighting section, your cold rods, your different hair clips, all your combs. We have everything for your thermal curling section. You'll still need to get the right type of irons that you like, most comfortable using. And we also have everything that you need for your hair cutting section. Your all-purpose straights, flat top combs, even for shears, because you're going to be tested on that. And with that, to get you ready for this exam, we got you 2 mannequin heads.
Awesome.
One's for the hair cutting section, other ones you'll be using on the shave or the chemical section. So make sure you take advantage of that and get yourself together. For your blow drying section, we have all your materials here. You have the kind of blow dryer that you like, but all your combs, all your towels, everything that you need for your table setup is all laid out here, along with your different trash bags that you're going to be needing to, put all your different linens, items to be disinfected, and just general trash, and everything that you need for your shaving and simulation. So I hope this gives you a great start. Like I said, this is just years in the making for me to be able to do this. So I'm really happy for you, and definitely, if you want to say anything to people out here.
Absolutely. I'd like to say something to you. I'd like to thank you very much for all the amazing stuff. Like I said, it really is going to make taking that test a whole lot easier to knowing I have all my things in the right places and whatnot. And again, thank you very much. If you're lucky enough to be in the Sacramento area, come in and see Hashim for your barber. I was lucky enough to be here. And his advice and his haircuts are awesome. So thank you again.
You're welcome very much. Let's get you back up.